Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to factorize quadratic trinomials. A quadratic trinomial is an expression which takes the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are all constants. Knowing how to properly factorize a quadratic trinomial gives us the skills to break down quadratic equations into simple parts. This then gives us the tools to understand the properties of quadratic functions, which describe many phenomena that we see on a daily basis. So we're going to take the example of x squared plus x minus 6. In order to factorize this, I'm going to break it up into 3 different steps. So for step 1, we have to find the factors of the constant inside the quadratic trinomial. The constant is minus 6 in this case. The reason that minus 6 is the constant is because it never changes. Any number being multiplied by a variable, in this case x, does change because x can take any value. So we can list out the factors of minus 6. So if we multiply minus 1 by 6, we get minus 6. In the same way, if we multiply 1 by minus 6, we get minus 6. If we multiply minus 2 by 3 or 2 by minus 3, we also get minus 6. So here we have listed all of the factors that make up the constant of the quadratic trinomial. So for step 2, we have to find which factors add to equal the value of the coefficient of the x term. So what does that actually mean? Well, the coefficient of x is just 1 in this case. A coefficient is defined as a constant being multiplied by a variable. So in this case, we just have x or 1x. So the constant is 1. And so therefore, the coefficient of x is equal to 1. So we can see that if we add minus 1 and 6, we get 5. If we add 1 and minus 6, we get minus 5. If we add minus 2 and 3, we get 1. And if we add 2 and minus 3, we get minus 1. So you can see that minus 2 and 3 both add to equal to 1, which is the coefficient of the x term in the quadratic trinomial. So for step 3, we then take these factors and we insert them into the brackets as shown. We end up with x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. So this is our answer. This is the factorized quadratic trinomial. So we've essentially turned a trinomial expression into 2 binomial expressions, where bi refers to 2 and nomial refers to terms. So a binomial expression is an expression containing 2 terms. As you might have seen in the previous factorizing videos, we can check our answer by multiplying out the brackets that we end up with. So multiplying out x minus 2 by x plus 3, we get x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. And we can simplify this to x squared plus x minus 6, which is the original quadratic trinomial that we started off with. So again, the reason that we can check our answer is because factorizing is the reverse process of expanding out brackets. So when we multiplied out x minus 2 by x plus 3 and got x squared plus x minus 6, factorizing is the opposite of that process. So by factorizing, we have turned x squared plus x minus 6 into x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to solve a quadratic trinomial in which the coefficient of the x squared term is not equal to 1. Whenever the x squared term has a coefficient that isn't equal to 1, we have to deal with the quadratic trinomial slightly differently. If you want to support my channel, you can like the video and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this one, please check out the playlist section of my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.